Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have this car with the check engine light on, 2013 Nissan Altima. Let's see what we have first. I'm going to diagnose the transmission and then we go back to the engine. I'm going to go inside the transmission computer and see what is issue on this section. If it's fixable, we're going to fix it, then we go to the next level. This car have also you see this Judder coat. As you know before, you cannot clear this coat just by regular erase. I'm going to erase it. Close. You see, you cannot erase it, so I'm gonna download the software. I'm gonna put it here, download it into the desktop, then try to clear it out. Stay with us. Okay, let me try to go and clear this code. This code, when you clear it, it may come back, and if it come back, it could be you have a problem with the transmission. It may not come back, it may come back, but just try to know that. Write IP characteristic. Okay, I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna upload it, and I gotta go to desktop, open this, click any one of it, open it. Now you're gonna go next, so you have to do the repair, which first push be careful, don't touch the cable there, push here, and the gas also all the way to the end. Put the car in the reverse. Car must be in the reverse. Here you push both of them down and start. Okay, now release your feet. Both feet release it. Put the car in park. Turn the key on for 2 seconds. Put on. Next time. Click next. Now write it. Complete. End. Now I'm gonna go back. I don't have nothing to do here. I just wanna go to diagnose and see it changed to yellow. Erase. Execute. Close. Green. Now we're good with this one here. We're gonna go back to engine, because this is only transmission computer. On the engine side, we're gonna wait a little bit. Communication, we're gonna wait a little bit to come. You see, all this was P0130, P0133 closed loop. They changed the software already, so I'm gonna erase them. Before was live, now they change it. Execute. P00. Okay, close it. They're gonna be green. I'm gonna start this car. There is no code in it, but I just want to see the data of the O2 sensor. Okay, coolant, that's too much. What you need? O2 sensor bank 1. Air fuel ratio. This is a mass. I need this. All this have to go out. Engine speed, okay. Coolant, air fuel ratio, no. All this, take it away. What you need? No, this one. I need this one. O2 sensor. Mass. Let me see other one. I don't need nothing here. I need this too. Next. O2 sensor. heater fan. Yes, let's go air fluid sensor diagnose. Okay, let me start this one, those stuff here. Okay, I want to see if the reading, how it is. Percentage. Air fuel ratio, heater bank 1, 26, 27, 26. Okay, let me turn it off. Star. Auto sensor heater. Sensor 2 bank 1. Air fuel ratio heater bank 1. 26, 25. That's a normal one. If it's like 30, 40, maybe it's not good. But hopefully the reading now is okay. If you want me to check the reading yesterday on the other software, we're gonna compare it with this one. But right now I see below 25%. But if it's 40 or 50, maybe it's no good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.